In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel order on Facebook Marketplace. If you've placed an order or agreed to a purchase and need to back out, the most direct and reliable way is to message the other person through Facebook's built-in chat. Marketplace deals are coordinated in Messenger, so a clear, polite note is usually all it takes to stop the transaction before anything ships or you meet up. Start by opening Facebook on your phone or computer. Once you're in, go to Messenger. On mobile, tap the chat bubble icon or open the standalone Messenger app. On desktop, click the Messenger icon at the top right of the Facebook page. This takes you to your recent conversations. Next, find your conversation with the buyer or seller for that marketplace item. You can scroll through your chats or use the search bar to type the person's name or a keyword from the item's title. Marketplace threads often show the item photo and price in the chat preview, which makes them easy to spot. Open that conversation so you can send your update to the right person. Now, send a clear cancellation message. Keep it short, specific, and courteous. You can write something like, "Hi, I'd like to cancel my order. Thank you for your time." If it helps avoid confusion, add the item name or the meetup time you were discussing, but don't overcomplicate it. Polite and straightforward works best. A friendly tone reduces friction and helps maintain your standing on Marketplace. Offering a short reason is optional and can make your request easier to accept, but avoid sharing personal details. Keeping everything within Messenger is safer for both parties. Send the message and give the other person a moment to respond. If you've scheduled a pickup or meetup, send it as soon as you know you can't make it, so they're not left waiting. If it's a shipping order and the seller hasn't sent it yet, your timely message can help them avoid printing a label or heading to the post office. Either way, your goal here is to communicate clearly in the same chat thread where the deal began. After you send the note, keep an eye on that conversation for a confirmation or any follow-up questions. Staying responsive keeps everything smooth and documented in one place. That's it. You've reached out through Messenger to cancel the order in a respectful and transparent way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you handle your marketplace cancellation quickly and confidently.